We made it.
Yes.
Taking it off now. Is it recording?
Yep.
We're here. That's all.
Wait, where are we?
Somewhere in Alabama. Orange Beach, Alabama. What is even that?
Okay, alright. I made a booth over there.
I had some at home, but...
You know, we have a tent we could set up with chairs.
Oh yeah,
in the third gen.
First next.
Okay. You're with me today.
Are you guys friends now?
No, fuck
help.
Fuck game.
Maybe I can make it better. Hold on.
Oh no. He's gonna pull me out a bottle of like alcohol or something.
There's two!
Alright, now we're friends.
Even better. Hold on.
He don't have fucking...
I'll take a case.
I want to record him getting in it. I can barely reach it. Yeah, I know. I wanted to. Oh, heck yeah. Look at him go. Woo! Good job. Hi.
Hello.
I like your microphone.
Thank you. Would you like to say something on it?
Okay. So which one of you is Gabe? Which is Gary? Gary.
Gary. Fuck, I fucked it off.
We're going out to dinner at the Pink Pony Club. Or club, the pub. Pink Pony Pub. Hopefully we're going out to eat. So we're back at the show because we wanted to see what was going on. I don't know about that.
Oh, that means this after party can be booming.
Yeah, or everyone has ran for their lives.
Hopefully the first.
Yeah, so we'll see.
One of my favorite trucks.
Hey, this is probably one of my favorite trucks.
Favorite, super favorite. I am the favorite truck. This is Kaylee's favorite truck.
Yep.
2020. She loves black, so
Yeah,
it's all black.
Yeah, my dad liked this one too. I like the I'm gonna call it charcoal.
You know what they say?
But
once you go black, you never go back.
Anyways, 2 guys sitting in a hot tub, 5 feet apart because we're not gay.
Shoot!
You just beat gay 5 times in a row.
Oh no!
I'm killing you now. I think I won now. Oh, that was tied again. Come back in on. Oh, that was 5. I think that was like 5-5 or 4-4 or something like that.
Where's Allie?
Would you like that?
One more time. Hey, he's gonna go get his dad.
Dad and Carrie are going at it.
Hey! I have Henry and Larry.
Henry and Larry. Hold on, come back to Henry. I've never seen one of these guys.
Zoom in on them.
You ever see them stuck on my windows? I got frogs that are on my freaking
You get
windows.
these, I'm pretty
They're
sure.
a little bigger. They're a different breed or whatever.
I'm waiting for them to like those videos where they're like looking at the bug
Yeah.
and it's like.
There it comes flying.
Come inside our. Oh, I don't even know our password.
All right, y'all. So today is our last day. I forgot I wanted to show you our Airbnb. I am blinded now because this yellow house is bright. We're gonna do that right now. So you walk on this wooden path up these steps, and then you unlock the door. La di da. And then my dad is cleaning dishes or pouring out chocolate milk. Shut the door. There were tree frogs on here last night. Oh, there is a key. I didn't know that. We have a fridge. Cool. And this is the family room. There was games and stuff, but we weren't here long enough to... You can hear Gabe editing. And there's this bed. Oh, that's locked. This is my dad's room. And then it has a bathroom that is connected. But it's just locked because me and Gabe have our own bathroom. But yeah, his room had like a closet. His room had like a view of, not like the front yard, but this is a side yard. We would have made a fire last night if we weren't so tired. Cute little room. And then there's this room. Lauren wasn't able to come, and then Bree wasn't able to come, so this was kind of just like an empty room that Gabe slept on while I was doing my makeup. And then, yeah, it's a little messy right now. But this was me and Gabe's room. And then this was our bathroom. Kind of looks the same as my dad's. This shower, I swear, I mean, like, I can't even touch it. It's built for, like, someone who's, like, 6 foot everything. But yeah, that's the Airbnb. It's really cute. I want to see what that says. Hey, alligators are common in this area. Yeah. This right here is the only water that's visible to me, and I don't think I see one. I want to see an alligator. What the heck? Hey, I ain't scared of no gators. I found a seashell.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Gabe wants me to drive, so I'm driving. I mean, this literally feels the same as, like, I mean, it's bigger, but it's not, like, scary to drive, other than I can't see Gabe in front of me. We're on a wooden bridge, that's why it seems unstable. The perks of lifted trucks. I don't think I'm close enough. Woo! Lacey and them are packing up, but I guess Gabe wanted me to show the height difference. I love these boggers. We used to have boggers, if you don't remember. Those were really nice on there. All right, you guys, we are on our way home. 16 hours. It's gonna suck. That's all I got. My dad came with us. I don't know if I put that in my video yet, but here's my father, and there's Gabe. Yeah, we'll be at Smoky Mountain next, I think. And see you guys in the next one. Weep weep.